So guys, Java 25 has been released and now it's the time for us to download and install the same. In case if you're already having any other Java in your machine, then I will also show you that how you can upgrade the same. So without wasting any more time, let's directly get started and see how the things are going to look like. So first of all, let's go to our Chrome browser and here we are going to search for Oracle Java, something like this. Then we will be directly going to this first website which says Java, and here we will be clicking on download Java, and here we will scroll down. So you see it is showing you options for JDK 21 as well as JDK 25. So what I will be doing is that from here I will be going to Windows because I'm having Windows in my machine, and then I will be clicking on this bin.exe file. So here I will be clicking, and here you can see that the download has been started. Now, in the meantime, what I will do is let me just open my command prompt. So it is going to be something like this, and let me bring it here. Yeah, so this is how it is going to look like. So let me show you that currently which Java version I'm using. So I will say here this one, and here it will show me that currently in my machine I'm having JDK 21. Also, I can show you the compiler version so that we can easily check just by saying this one. And for this also, you will obviously see that this is also pointing to JDK 21. So in your machine, you can have multiple JDKs. And what you can do is that by default, you can point to any one of those JDK. So now what we will be doing is that I guess the download is ready. We are going to install the same and point it to JDK 25. So now our download is ready. So let's double click on the same, and then we will be getting some screen. So it is taking some time. Okay, it's showing me on other screen. Let me try to drag it here and let me click on this yes, and again it will be showing me where it went. So let's see. So it was showing me on my another screen. Yeah, so this is how it is going to look like. Let me click on next, and here it says that it will be installing in the program files Java and then JDK 25. So let me click on next. We don't need to change the same. That's a default path for this Java. So here it will be taking some time, not big. And here we can just simply click on close. That's it. We don't need to do anything much. Now after this, let's directly go back here. And what we will be doing is let's go to C drive, then let's go to program files. Then let's go to Java, and here you can see I'm having JDK 25. Besides this, I'm also having JDK 17 as well as JDK 21. So let me go here, and what I will be doing is I'm going to copy this path from here. Then I will be going here and I'm going to search for environment variables. So this is the one which I will be selecting. Again, it has opened the screen in my another tab. So now let me go here and I will click on environment variables. Then afterwards, in case if you have already created a variable in system variables, then it is well and good. Otherwise, what you can do is that you can just say new, and here you can call it as Java underscore home, something like this. And here you can provide your new path. That's it. Only till JDK 25, you can click on OK. But in my case, I'm already having Java underscore home, which is pointing to JDK 21. So what I will do is I will go here and I will click on edit. And then here I'm going to update my path, something as this. Now my path to Java home has been updated. Besides this, there is one more small thing which we have to do. We have to search for this path. We will be going here and we are going to click edit. Then here we need to add something like this, percentage Java underscore home, the same variable which we just now created. Then again we are going to say percentage, which means it is going to point that particular variable, and then slash bin. So when we say slash bin here, basically it is going to point to this bin folder. In my case, since I was already having JDK 21, so it was already there. In your case, you can just simply add it. And for this, you will be just saying here new, and you can just add it. You can move it up and down, and that's how it is going to work fine. So now I'm going to say cancel. Then here I will be saying cancel. And here I'm just going to say, okay, yeah, that's it. Now let's go back here and search for command prompt. So this is how it is going to look like. And again, it has opened in my another screen. So let me go here. Let me increase the size. I'm going to say here Java -version, something like this. And now you see it is pointing to JDK 25. Besides this, I can also say Java C. Then I will be saying here -version. And this also you see it is pointing to JDK 25. And that's how it was so easy to download and install JDK 25. In case you are upgrading, then also it is going to be very, very easy for you. So let's see you in the next video. Bye everyone.